Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scraplist Sunday where Laura and I are going to be using this layout from Andrea Lake. Now, I happen to find this. She is part of the design team for the Hip Kits, and that is where I was able to find this, this layout. I will link it down below, and along with her Instagram. I'm not sure if it was on the Hip Kit. I couldn't find it there, but I found it on her page, like her, because I'm friends with her on Facebook, so that's where I found it at. So anyway, that's where I'm going to link. I'll link everything down below so that you can be able to find it. So I decided to take two of my photos from the quarantine era time and document about the photo that I took. KJ and, no, actually Mia, our next door neighbor, and her mom and KJ made up these hearts. They are part of Oktoberfest, if I remember correctly. I think it was one of the German type things that they did over there. So I am just playing with the Hip Kits. It is, I think, the January kit? It's got to be, no, February's kit. Sorry, February's kit is what I'm using. So I am just backing some foam with this one and placing it in exactly. I keep this very, very minimal. For me, this is one of the easiest layouts that I've shown in a very, very long time. I didn't even use mixed media. I didn't even do splatters. I decided to keep it very light and easy for me. I have had it's not been a rough time by any means, but my mojo and everything else went completely kabooey-wooey on me, and it was gone. And it's because of school right now. We are getting ready to get ready for the Georgia milestones, which is the standardized testing for public schools. You know, if you're not part of a public school system, ours is called the Georgia milestones, and we're getting ready to test for that, and we're getting the kids ready so that they don't do anything what they call wrong, illegal, or any of that sort. So we've been teaching them, training them, and all that, because third grade is the very first year that they ever come into this type of testing, and it's a huge test. I mean, it is like standardized testing. It is what it is. And so, you know, getting that all ready and stuff. So I did a very minimum layout. I was able to batch scrapbook when the girls were here a couple weeks ago, so that I was able to keep my channel active, and I'm going to be doing that again in April, because the testing for us for the standardized testing is at the end of the year, or it's at the end of April, I should say. And so I know that I'm going to have to batch too, because I'm just going to be mentally exhausted to even try to think of this. And college got me this past week too. I started college on the 25th of February. And this professor, let me tell you, y'all, like, I have done enough college to know. You always have that one professor. And apparently I got him right out the bat. I was like, Lord, I keep thinking to myself, I'm like, that is why, if you follow me over on Instagram, that is why I've been doing a lot of Instagram reels lately, because I'm just like, I can't believe this. Like, sometimes I'm like, what is going on? But this professor, y'all, like, I just can't with him. I just can't. That's how I feel right now. I just can't. So I'm following. I love how she did a bunch of rainbows in her, and fussy cut a bunch of them out. I really love how those have turned out. So I decided to do it as well. I just did quite a bit more. And I'm placing them up so that there's more of dimension to them, as well as making a ton of dimension on my title, which is called Captured Memories, or Capturing Memories. I got to look at it. I think it's Captured. Yeah, Captured Memories, because ultimately this was in the past. Because I scrapbook, I'm almost done. I scrapbook kind of a year behind for my daughter. And so I am pretty much quite a bit done with this year for 2012, or for her second grade year. Third grade, it's going to be a little different. I mean, I don't have those photos, those everyday photos of projects and things like I normally would scrapbook. So it's going to be a little bit lighter in her book compared to what I'm used to doing. But that's just, it is what it is. It's, COVID related. It's all of that kind of stuff. So, and it doesn't bother me. For that part, we'll be able to still remember why it was like that, because who's going to forget this? I mean, we all kind of want to forget this, but who's going to forget this? It's just been a crazy 2 years, or year, I should say, and going into our second year of this. And so I'm just placing down hearts. I'm just going through all the embellishments and just trying to find little bits and bobs of what I would like to have here. And I just absolutely love how this turns out. I think it is simple, but yet still busy for me. And I just love it. I'm probably not even going to journal on this page. I was going to try to, and then I'm like, nah, I kind of decided not to. And just leave it as I see it, which is, just captured memories, just times of being at home and doing absolutely nothing, because that's what we were doing. I do place this heart hand with the 2 hearts because I think that that's cute. I do come in with some flowers and things like that out of the other embellishment packet that is there. And yeah, so that's exactly what I'm doing pretty much. I hope that you go check out Laura. Make sure that you check out Andrea Lake. All of her information along with Laura's will be linked down below. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am so glad to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do collaborations like this, design team layouts, 12 by 12, and traveler's notebooks during the summertime. I'm definitely going to get back into them this summer. I'm not sure yet. I know that I've been contemplating and / asked to do summer school for the school, but ultimately I still have to be picked, so I'm not sure if I will be doing that yet or not, but it's extra cash in the pocket. Why not? So yeah, so that's just kind of where I'm at, and that's what I'm doing. So here I am. I'm just finishing up pretty much doing the embellishments. I do come in with a pen, and that is pretty much about it. I absolutely positively love how simple but yet busy this layout is, and this collection. This collection was really good. I love the exclusives that's were in here, on top of them bringing in some simple stories and some of the other things in there. I hope everybody is all staying well. I hope that you guys are definitely, getting somewhat back to normal. I know I have spring break coming up. I have 4 days this week, and then spring break starts. So, yeah, the kids are going to be crazy. They ain't going to want to do anything, and I will probably be about ready to pull my hair out by the end of Thursday, but it is what it is. And yeah, so that's where I am at with all of this. And my chronicles of my life, if you want to say. Let's see here. What am I finishing? Oh, I'm just getting in just little bits, just few more little pieces, and then that is it. I think. Maybe not. Oh, no, I come in with these, and then this is it. I think then this is where I'm at. Man, I can't believe I just did this layout, and I can't remember what I did. See, that's what I'm telling you, teacher brain. Gotta love it. But I hope that that you will definitely come back after this. I am super excited to go into April with a few little things that I am doing here and there. I'm going to place this coffee cup here along with this orange because I think it's just kind of cool and the color matches, because y'all know that if it matches, it'll work for me. And that is about it. I'm going to let the music play. You will finish out. I hope that you like and subscribe to my channel. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.